Sade? Sade? Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Okay, my plan for today, I need to go to my store. Nak pack all the stuff for kita orang nak poster. And then I think I need to do some groceries. That's my plan for today. But wait, hold on. This one is my favorite. New toy. You buy banana bread? Looks good. Macam moist. Oh my god, Loma! 4.8. We gonna cook fish biryani. Cari ni tadi. Susah. Sade?
Already involved, something like that in Bangkok, marathon love fest.
Okay, so I'm trying this morning face mask, but just twice or 3 times a week. Also, I've been using Root Remedies black seed oil. It's so good. Yeah? It's Sunday and my plan, I don't have any plans today. Baby, why? This is Loma. He's my baby boy. I think I just have to clean my house a bit and makan lunch. Fun day. Come, let's eat. Loma. I've been doing some design work for apa kita orang nak buat mystery box for Okay Go Store. Such a cute idea. And design dah siap and I need to order some boxes. Yeah. It's raining. Yay, gonna cook curry chicken. It smells so good. Ooh, looks good. Mama, so good now. Good morning. Today is Monday. I'm craving for some cake. Rumah baru muntah tadi. I don't have any plans. So I'm just gonna chill. Just go with the flow. What the day will bring me. Lunch is served. Yesterday's curry. We bought this cold brew and ginger ale. I tried it. So good. Look what Studio sent me. And then dapat the care kit also. Whoa. Thank you, Studio.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
What to cook? I'm thinking of something simple. My second cup of coffee for today. Sekarang pukul berapa? Almost 5. Should I work out? We'll see. Welcome home. How's your day? I'm gonna cook a salted egg crab. Good morning. I'm cleaning out my small pantry. I don't have place to put stuff anymore, so I guess that's a sign for me to clean it up. wanna cook ayam masak lemak chicken. Morning. So we got a news that clothing store can reopen tomorrow. We need to clean up the store. Good morning. Lunch. Already hang all the clothes. Kemas. Ready to open. Hey guys, okay, we just finished kemas kedai and all, and now we're heading to laundry to send all the new clothes nak basuh. Hey everybody, today is Thursday. It's 2 p.m. It's the first day we open our store. I'm so happy. And what did I do here? So basically, if there's no customer, I will do some the round sticker. And this is the thank you card. And this is for parcel.
It goes straight to my
This
brain.
is for Chinese New Year
I
sticker.
don't wanna lie, 'cause you make me insane. Turn off all the lights, got a whole lot going for you. How do I explain if you don't wanna try? She loves me when
Oh my god, that's 6:15, so we close at 7. I'm so hungry. I have to work out first. I'll cook dinner. Some chicken. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not hungry anymore because my baby bought me this. Yay, tonight we gonna cook ikan bawal masak kicap.
I know you'll be okay. If I go, here today.
My boxes is here. And mystery box sticker. Cute. Yay! I baru habis shop at my own store. watching. I hope you guys like the video. I'll see you guys when I have a new video. Bye.